I forgot.
Wait, this one. It was that one.
This
that
one, and I'm gonna use the other one.
All right. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Think you need? I think that's good, to be honest. All right. And now you're gonna put it all over my face. Show them. That's how much she's gonna use. This is Shape Tape, guys. Shape Tape concealer.
Okay, let's do
All over my face. Light.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
No, you gotta blend it.
I am. This is how I blend.
Okay.
I need to blend more. Let me see your face. Can I see your eyeglasses?
My eyeglasses.
Yes. I'm almost done. I also have to fix her eye. Pretty.
Thank you.
Hey NitroFam!
So today in this video, you already know by our thumbnail that Nyla is going to be doing my makeup. She has no idea what any of the stuff, I didn't tell her anything is on this table, and she's going to give me a nice, I don't know, should we do like a going out look, party look?
I'm gonna do my look.
Okay, so she's gonna do a Nyla look, and she has all this makeup in front of her, and she's just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I trust her. I'm gonna flip this camera around because I don't wanna see how my makeup looks. She's going to do it all right now, and yeah, let's get started.
Okay guys.
So what we're gonna do, she's going to pick the makeup, and then she's gonna tell you what it is, if she knows what it is, and then she's gonna get started.
I never put it on makeup once, but only once in my life.
What are you starting off with?
I'm starting off with this.
What do you think that's called?
I think it's for your eyes.
Okay, so it's eyes. It's for eyes. Let's show them. Ooh, so this is my Morphe palette. We got a bunch of colors here. I wonder what Nyla is going to do with my eyes.
I think I'm gonna pick this brush.
She's got some brushes here.
Good.
See? So she's going to use, what is this? I think this is an Anastasia brush. So there's like this point and also this point.
I'm scared, guys. So
She's going to be using,
I forgot.
wait, this one. It was that one.
This
That
one, and I'm gonna use the other one.
All right. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Think you need? I think that's good, to be honest. All right.
Oh, it works. It works.
Okay.
Good. Thank God. Okay.
You have to make me look beautiful. Try your best.
Let's do glitter. More glitter. I don't know what to do, guys. Okay.
Want me to open?
Yeah. Okay, close the other eye.
You're gonna do two colors?
Yeah, one on that eye.
Two different colors?
Yeah.
She's gonna do the two different colors, guys.
This and this. Maybe this is why you take forever. Okay, then.
So tell them what you use, the colors.
So I used it this and probably this. I'm doing this one next, and I think I know what this is. It's the thing that you put on your face. What is it called?
The foundation. So I'll give you a little hint. So which one will go first?
I feel like this one because
Okay,
it's
so
really light.
this is a primer. It's Rare Beauty. Spray it in your hands. And now you're gonna put it all over my face. Show them. That's how much she's gonna use.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I need a little bit more.
No, I don't think you do.
For the cheek. And then rub. Okay.
How do I look so far, guys? Ready to go party?
I feel like this one.
Okay.
Because it's Rare Beauty.
Rare Beauty. Let's not use a lot, okay?
I want to put it. Okay,
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
So guys, this is how I look so far.
I'm back. I wetted this, so.
Now she's going to dab it all over my face.
One more bit for your, for your chin. I just.
Put a lot on my nose.
Oh my god. Is it okay, done.
How do I look, guys? Do I look good?
Okay, this is what? Under your eyes.
I don't use a lot.
I do.
Oh my god. Oh, jeez.
Okay, now you put one. Not on your chin this time. One. That's
This is a Shape Tape, guys. Shape Tape concealer.
okay, let's do
All
that.
over my face. Light, medium. Shade.
I don't know what it is. Oh my god. Are you okay?
No, you gotta blend it.
I am. This is how I blend.
Okay.
Done. Look up. Oh god, I'm scared for you. Wait till the eyebrow comes out.
How does it look so far, Nye?
I'm not telling you. You don't want to see this.
What do you mean you don't want to see this?
Okay, I hope. I feel like I need more eyeshadow on you. Don't do it.
More eyeshadow, guys.
Glitter one.
Oh.
Glitter. 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 All the glitter. Oh, I don't even see it.
What was that face?
Okay, I know what this is. I think. Oh, it is eyeliner. I tried to do like a. Oh, there. I felt a little hot, guys. That one good. I'm doing these last guys because I don't know what they are.
There's these. 1, 2, 3. There's this. There's also this.
Wait, it's a more lipstick than this one.
So this is a Kylie lip gloss. Kylie Jenner lip gloss.
Okay, that's much. Girl. Oh, that's how you do it?
Now we got this. What do you think this is for?
Oh, it's a pencil. For your eyebrows. For your eyebrows. We thought I was doing makeup.
Yes.
Oh, it makes you flat.
Okay.
And she's gonna do this brush.
We're going to be using the Revolution Revlon highlighter.
Highlighter. Oh no. Not one. I I need a blend more. Let me see your face. Can I see your eyeglasses?
My eyeglasses.
Yes.
I'm almost done. I also have to fix her eye.
Pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Can I see your? Can I see your heart?
Okay.
Can I see your heart?
I have a heart.
Yes.
Wow.
A very big heart. Okay.
So this.
Hi guys.
Okay. I'm done. Now I'm gonna do this one.
Now she's gonna use the powder.
My hand, it was fun.
Fit
me.
Yeah, Fit Me by Maybelline in shade 330. What are you gonna do with this baby right here? This is Fenty Beauty. My favorite bronzer. It's an amazing bronzer in shade Bejangial.
Oh, you can also look in here.
Here you go.
Look at you guys. You guys are beautiful. Can you stop?
Why you look like? Why you
Stop!
You look so funny, mommy.
I look funny.
Sometimes you
You look so evil.
I look like an evil person.
Oh, you look so cool, mommy. Every day. Come on. I love you.
Sorry, guys.
I love you too.
Done. I got an idea. Oh no!
One eye pen. Oh, it's for your eye! You probably see her like this.
How do I look so far?
Good. Okay, the last thing. No, close your eyes. I like this one. No, up. And up, 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 up. Oh,
We're gonna use the Monate Hydrate and Fresh.
join now.
This is a face mist.
Oh, like that.
And that is the end.
Wait, no.
What, you wanna add more? So this is the final look. Now I wanna go and see my beautiful face on this camera.
Whoa!
Oh my lord.
What? What?
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Yes, it's beautiful. And
Hi.
up close. Oh, goodness.
Oh,
There is a lot of concealer on my face. How do you like my face? It's, how would you
I
rate
get-
it out of 1 to 10?
6.
6.
Not bad.
Not bad. That's a good one.
Me, since I did it, I'll rate it like 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I would give it, I don't know where I would go with this look. I would give it a 7 out of 10. Because where am I going to go looking like this? Where?
To the playground?
To Walmart? Would you like me to go to Walmart looking like this?
Yeah. 24K likes if Mom goes like out like this.
This is the final look. Nyla did my makeup. Thank you for doing my makeup, Nye. So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down how you like this makeup look. Rate it.
Bye
Would you go out to a Walmart like this? Would you go to a party like this? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bells, and comment down below what you want to see in our next video. And always, love, peace, and happiness. Peace out.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. New videos coming every week. See you in our next video. Bye bye.